Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something that not a lot of people have in the Netherlands right now. And behind me you can see it blinking on the workbench. It is something that is a multi-purpose tool for your car. It's sort of a data logger and a display. Do you know what it is yet? Probably not. It is the ADU, that stands for Advanced Display Unit. It's a product by ECUmaster, a company which headquarters is based in Poland, and they specialize in ECUs and displays, but they've also got a power management unit, which is also quite nice, that replaces all the fuse and relay boxes in your car and makes a CAN bus system out of it. But today we're going to look at the ADU itself. So, let's look. Well, here is the ADU itself. As you can see, it is a nice design with 15 brightly colored LEDs, which can be adjusted to any color you like. Over here and over there are two sensors that measure the input of light and adjust the LED brightness accordingly. On the back there are 35 different options, from ground to USB cables, also analog inputs. Well, what is in the box? You get this card that says 1 is ground and 12 is battery. So there are 12 pins on each row, times 3 is 35, well 36 actually, but the row that's in the middle only has 11. And on the back you can find what cable needs to go to which pin to make the proper connection. Also featured in the box is this cardboard template that can be used to measure or drill any holes. It also features the width of the ADU and the height of the pin. And this is the back side of the box. On the left side there is the ADU 7-inch version, and on the right the 5-inch version. It also states a couple of specifications. So, as I stated before, alarms, 15 times ultra bright RGB LEDs, and that means you can adjust the color, well, to any known color, or you can create your own. The enclosure is an anodized aluminium CNC machined, and it has a 30 bits automotive 90 MIPS CPU. So there are accelerometers on there with a 3-axis gyro and a 3-axis acceleration, built-in light sensors, a temperature sensor and a real-time clock. The features are a lap timer, customization, 48 available pages, user-defined content, custom graphics allowed. So for instance, if you have your own logo and you start up your car, you can program the ECU, well the ADU, to show that logo. So it's a really nice option.